kindergarten. Here we go. We're going to make a pinwheel. To make this, we need a few things. Tape, or you can use glue. I find tape is a little bit easier to use. A pair of scissors. Remember how we safely hold them? A pencil with an eraser, or you can use a straw, or you could use a soft piece of wood that's easy to poke through. Okay, some of the sticks outside will work for this because they're easy enough to poke through. You'll need a push pin, and for this, make sure you talk to mom and dad, okay? This is a very important part to making this, but it's also a part where you could hurt yourself, so we want to be very careful with it. And, of course, a piece of paper. Now, to make our pinwheel, we first have to make our piece of paper into a square. Right now, it is a rectangle. Remember, a square is also a rectangle, but it's a special rectangle where all of the sides are equal. I have a trick to turn this rectangle into a square. Let me show you. So to turn this into a square, I'm going to take this corner. Any corner will work. And I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to make sure this corner right here lines up equally. Okay, so I'm making it look like a triangle. And I'm going to push down to make a crease. See that? I have my big triangle. Do you see this extra part down here that's a rectangle? I'm going to cut that off. And actually, I'm going to cut a little higher up because I want my square to be a little bit smaller. So look, it's just a triangle now. But when you put two triangles together, you get a square. Look at that. Now, this crease is going to help us. I'm going to make sure it's really, really strong. And then I'm going to turn it the other way. And I'm going to make a triangle this way and make another crease. These creases are going to be very important to our pinwheel. Now, with my scissors, right on the crease line where the paper was folded, I'm going to cut about halfway up. I don't want to cut all the way to the middle, okay? I'm leaving some space. See how I have some space there? And I have to do this to all four creases. Woo! Got to hold on to your paper to do this. Now, this is where my tape comes in to help. I have to take this part of the section I cut and put it down. I don't want to fold it because this open part is where air will go in to help move our pinwheel. You can glue it here, but I feel like taping it is a little bit easier. And now I'm going to do the same to the next part. And I'm going to keep going around to all four sections. When you're done, if you don't want to see that tape, you can cut out a little circle piece of paper and put it right over there. I don't mind it so much, but you can cover it up if you like. Now, right in the middle of our pinwheel, I'm going to poke my push pin through. And this is where you might want mom or dad or a big brother or sister to help you. Okay. And then I'm going to take my pencil or my straw, whatever I have, and I'm going to push this part of the pin into the eraser or whatever soft part you're using. Now, do you see how I've left some room between the eraser and the pinwheel? You need that to be able to make your pinwheel move freely. If it's too close together, then the pinwheel gets stuck. So you need a little bit of wiggle room. And there's my pinwheel. Now, my hand needs to go down. I can blow on it and make it spin. I can use my finger as a force to make it spin. You could take it outside and have the air outside spin your pinwheel.